Hey you guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the limited edition Glossybox Black Friday box. They did send this over. I have not opened this up yet, but I'm going to be showing you guys what comes in this box. I believe there are different variations between the Black Friday boxes. So you guys will see one version. I'm sure there are a couple different versions of this box. So really quickly, before we get started, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, I am doing a huge giveaway right now. I'll have it linked in my description box below if you guys want to enter that. And also, make sure you guys turn on your notifications. That way you don't miss out on any of my future videos. All you have to do is click the bell next to the subscribe button, and then you'll receive a notification every time I upload a new video. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So as I said, I'm going to be unboxing the limited edition Black Friday Glossybox. So here is what the box looks like. I love the space look to it. It's so pretty. So the price of this box is $25 and it's supposed to have a $125 value. So when you take off the top, it just comes packaged like this. Like, how cute is that with the little bow? There is a little pamphlet here. Let's go ahead and undo the bow. I love this tissue paper. So cute. All right, so here is the box. So I'm just going to start pulling things out of the box and showing you guys. It is a very heavy box, so I feel like there's a lot of things in here. All right, so the first thing we have is this. So this is a full-size product. This is from the brand Ciate. This is their Stamp and Drag Liner Duo. I'm almost positive that I already have this product. So on one side you have the pointed liner, and then the other side you have a winged liner stamp. It says this double-ended eyeliner pen features a wing-shaped stamp and a pointed tip for the perfect winged eyeliner. It says simply stamp on the corners of each eye for symmetrical wings. Drag, join up, and define your lash line with the pointed tip. And the price of this is $19. So this box is already starting off good. This is a really good product for people who struggle with wing liner, and I am one of those people. All right, so next up, we have this right here. And this is a dry shampoo from the brand Collab. This is also a full-size product. I'm pretty sure almost everything in this box is full-size. This is their original dry shampoo. So the price of this is $5.49. I'm always in need of dry shampoo, so I'm actually excited about this. It says, instantly refresh your roots and lose that greasy feeling with this dry shampoo. Its ability to absorb oil without leaving a white residue makes it the perfect quick fix. It says, after untangling, spray the shampoo around the roots of your hair, massage, style, and you're good to go. I'm definitely going to be using this. I'm going to spray a little and see what this smells like. I don't really smell anything, so that's actually a good thing because I hate super strong smelling dry shampoos. I do like the Dry Bar one that does have a strong fragrance, but some other ones have a really kind of baby powdery scent, which I don't like, and this one does not smell like that. So yeah, I'm actually excited about that. So far so good. Next up I have this right here, and I believe this is a hair mask. So this is from the brand Hask. This is their Unwind Provence Rosé and something deep conditioner. I don't know why they make these names so complicated. So the price of this hair mask is $3.99. I'm not sure how I'm gonna feel about the scent of this because I don't really like the smell of wine, so I probably wouldn't like how this smells, but it says it's packed with wine, rose, and watermelon extracts. These deep conditioners will leave your hair feeling softer and stronger while protecting your color. It says to apply to wet hair after shampoo and leave on for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing. So I love the idea of the hair mask, but I don't know. I'm not really into wine scents, but if you are, you would probably really like this. But I do like that they included this in the box. And normally we don't get a lot of hair care products in subscription boxes, and so far we've gotten 2 in this Black Friday box. So I didn't realize, but there are 2 of these hair masks in the box. So one is Protect and Hydrate, and one is Protect and Revitalize. So we did get 2 hair masks. Next up, we got a bath bomb. So this is a full-size bath bomb from the brand CBD FX, and I got the Soothing Bath Bomb. I believe there's also a Recharge Bath Bomb that probably comes in a different variation of box, and the price of this is $7.99. So it says that it is a great way to decompress. It's filled with natural ingredients and essential oils, and your joints, muscle, and skin will thank you later. It says to add your bath bomb to warm water, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Let's see what this looks like. So here is what the bath bomb looks like. Wow, that has a really strong scent. It definitely smells like essential oils. So that one is fun. Wow, there's a lot of stuff in this box. I'm actually surprised how much stuff is in this box for $25. So next up we have this product right here. So this is a skincare product. This is the Reface Me Vitamin C Serum, and the price of this is $28. So I love a good vitamin C serum, so I'm excited about this one. It says it's packed with antioxidant protection. This oil-based serum focuses on removing free radicals in sun-exposed skin. It's vegan hyaluronic acid and botanical ingredients plump and protect the skin while fading discoloration. It says after cleansing and patting the skin dry, apply a small amount to the entire face, neck, and décolleté. So this is a good one. I love vitamin C serums. Okay, so the next thing is like such a small thing that I'm actually excited about it, and these are a pair of tweezers. So this is a pair of tweezers from the brand Basic Beauty. These obviously are a full-size product, and the price of this is $6. This might seem like such a small thing, but I'm excited about it because I'm always losing my tweezers, and these actually look really nice, and they're pink, so they're very cute. It says that these tweezers allow you to remove your hair with minimal effort and zero discomfort. These do feel nice, so I'm like really excited about the tweezers. Next up, I got a product from Pure Lease, and I believe I have gotten this before in like another subscription box, but this is their Energizing Aqua Balm, and I believe it's a moisturizer. It says it's lightweight, oil-free. It's a gel cream that refreshes and moisturizes. It says it's good for oily combination, normal, and even sensitive skin. So I guess this is just a little mini size moisturizer. So next up, I got another like deluxe mini size of a product right here. So this says it's an activating treatment lotion. It says this vegan anti-aging barrier repair complex is a powerful toner and essence that moisturizes the skin while evening texture and neutralizing free radicals. Dead skin cells are exfoliated to restore your skin's brightness. So you're supposed to put a dime-sized amount in your palms and then massage over your face until it's absorbed. And the full size of this is $29. I'm not sure how much this little like deluxe mini size is, but yeah, we got another skincare product. Next up, I got a perfume. I'm really curious what this smells like. I'm really picky about my perfumes. Here's what the box looks like. This is the Arizona perfume, and then here's what the bottle looks like. The bottle is super cute. All right, let's go ahead and smell this. Okay, that actually smells really good. It's like a floral type scent. So it says it's blooming with a white cactus accord and a unique mineral signature. It does smell very nice, and I'm very picky about perfumes, so yeah, this is a good one. I feel like this is a fragrance that a lot of people would like, and the full size of that is $100, so that is an expensive perfume. So next up, we got another skincare product right here. This is another full-size product. These are from the brand Babor. I hope I'm saying that correctly. These are their 3D Hydrogel Lip Pads, and the price of this is $29. It says that these are developed to care for the sensitive skin of the lips. It has a cooling effect and hyaluronic acid that provides plumping hydration. You're supposed to apply these to clean, dry lips and remove after 10 to 15 minutes. I'm actually glad that I got these because it is getting really cold where I live, and my lips are so dry, so yeah. These are actually a really exciting thing to get. I love that this box has so much skincare and hair care things in it. All right, so now we're on to the last thing that I got in my Black Friday Glossybox, and it is this product right here. This is from the brand Sets Beauty, and this is their Blot Translucent Powder, and the price of this is $9.99. So it comes like with these 3 little things in it. This is interesting. It says it's a single dose cosmetic compact. That is interesting. I feel like I've seen somebody use these like on Instagram. They're like these little, I don't know what to call it, like sheets that you can set your makeup. You're like supposed to be able to throw these in your purse and like apply powder like wherever because they're so small and you don't have to bring like a full compact. It says to gently pat over oily areas to minimize excess shine. Keep these in your purse to blot and set while on the go. I'm actually really excited about these because I've seen a lot of people use these on Instagram and I've always wanted to try them. So that is everything that came in my Glossybox Black Friday limited edition box. I'm pleasantly surprised with this box. It was very heavy, so I was like excited to open it up to see what was in it, and there were a lot of really good things in here. There were only 2 makeup items in here. I wish there were like a little bit more, even though I do really like that there was a lot of skincare and hair care. I feel like it could have used maybe like 1 more makeup item, but I am really excited about both of these. I feel like those were good things to get. And then I'm actually really excited about the dry shampoo and the tweezers as well. And then I actually can see myself using this perfume. I really like the scent of this, so I'm definitely going to be using that out. And then everything else was also really good. Like there wasn't anything in the box that I didn't like. And I'm actually like super excited about the bath bomb as well because I don't own any bath bombs. So I'm definitely going to have to use that. So yeah, overall, I'm pretty impressed with the Black Friday box. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, make sure you guys check out that giveaway that I mentioned at the beginning of today's video. You definitely do not want to miss out on that. And then also make sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. All you have to do is click the bell next to the subscribe button, and then you'll receive a notification every time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.